So early on in my conversations, interviewing community members starting a year ago, a theme that keeps coming up is there a one-stop shop where I just entered into homelessness? I need to know what my resources are. Is there a one spot where I can go to see what the process is or who to call? Well, here it is right here. This is created by the city of San Jose. I've marked it up a little bit. So I am an expert in instructional design. So this is a space where I feel like I can add value. I'll just start off by saying this is 6 point font, 6 to 8 point font. Not great for your target demographic here. And it's just everything on one page. So what I've proposed is to move out the youth services as well as separating out the veteran services so we can have separate flyers in the case that those targets are encountered. There's also a lot of content that I thought was not relevant. Why would you want to call the VTA? I'm not sure. Why would you want to interact with Gilroy in the case that you are in San Jose? A lot of rental assistance for those being evicted. I think that having a catch all here is nice. It's a nice idea, but I might divide out our target demographics to be at least three different archetypes so that this can be more targeted. To take a second, I do want to call myself out for violating the tenets of my project already, which is jumping into prototyping far before you have made it through the first three steps of user-centered design, which is to empathize, define, and ideate. In this video, I've been pointing out concerns, potential design changes with these instructions. I do believe that 6 point font is probably a non-starter, but these other concepts of perhaps changing the design, I really want to offer the caveat that I have not spent enough time to truly know. One thing I did learn this week is that we have a lot of transients coming in from far away, King City, Gilroy, Salinas. So a lot of these individuals are on the move. So perhaps having resources in other areas is truly very helpful to them. So I just want to say, yeah, it's not the best idea to jump into design right away. And by filming this video, I am making it sound like, oh, I have an answer here, but I want to just say it's not an answer, but I am just saying this is a project that I'm working on. I'm going to gather more input before making movements towards implementing design changes. Though I may prototype something and test it out in the field once I just to kind of get reactions and iterate it quickly.